Well, the verdict is in. The Kodiak is done. She is, as they say, a total loss. Yeah, buddy. There's the 850 power right there. Loving it. Loving it! Well, boys, she's Sunday, Father's Day. Just out and about. I wanted to spend some time tidying up my garage because who has time to tidy up your garage all the time? But getting a charge on the old checking on the machine here, the winter machine. Oh yeah, smells nice. You can just smell that two-stroke in there. Ho 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 ho. This is a mess. Absolute mess. Like, there's just shit everywhere. Chainsaw I gotta fix. Stuff from my daughter went camping. Like, frick, I didn't even use the stuff, you know? I've already put most of it away. But we gotta get this place ship-shape because this is unacceptable. Unacceptable. We gotta make some room because we got something new coming. Well, there's the 850. It's got power. Something new is coming. That is for sure. Let's get this shit cleaned up, boys. Alright, boys, we're back. We got the garage cleaned out, tidied up. At least we got a good working space because I don't know what it is, man, but feels like I can never get the time to actually get the garage organized the way I want to. I've only been living here 11 years. It's getting there slowly but surely. Well, I think if you ever get it really organized the way you'd like, I'll probably be dead. Anyways, just a little quick spin around with the old place here. It needs work. It's work in progress. WIP, as they say. Alright, I'm excited about to bring in the new bike. Sportsman, 2013 Sportsman XP 850. So there she is, brand new. 6 years old, but it's brand new. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. So she's got the front rack bumpers, front and rear bumpers, bush guards, whatever you want to call them. 26-inch tires with 14-inch rims. Well, they kind of look like old man rims, but hey, what are you gonna do? But we're gonna change those tires up. Yes, we are. We got a couple little things we're gonna be doing to it. But that's it. That's it. So before we do too much more riding, we gotta get this winch on here. Well, boys, the winch install is a fail. So mix up with the dealer. The winch I got it's set up for your 15 and over, and you're 15 and over. The main wiring harness is supposed to already be pre-wired for the switch. So there's a connection at the back right down there, and there's nowhere to hook it in. And also down here, there's supposed to be the connector ready to go for the switch. The switch goes right up here. Yeah, it's not there, so that's a pain in the nuts. Coming by yourself with no winch, even in an area that you know fairly well, not a good idea. One little wrong turn, and you're stuck. Luckily you can hear Matt in the background there. There's a whole bunch of lads. I'm just coming out to go say hi. I changed my mind and turned around. Well, when I frickin' turned around, I took the one wrong little loopy here and stuck. Sucks. Anyways, easy pull out, but now I got her back. I'm an idiot again. Yep, she's a beaut. Turn the display on. There you go. Odometer, 258 kilometers. Crazy. Crazy!